Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable the Siri on iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the settings options of our phone. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will get an option which is called Siri and search. So let's click on this. So the first option is listen for, it is off. So now simply we have to click on the Hey Siri, and we have to provide the command 3 times and it will be enabled. So if you want to open the press, as you can see now, the first option is press side button for Siri. If you want that the Siri should be opened after pressing your side button, you have to make it enable. Message with Siri, if you want to send the message with Siri, you can also do that. You have to enable these all options, or if you want to make them disabled, you can also do that. And as you can see, other all settings related to Siri are provided here. You can provide the settings and options and permissions to these apps for the Siri usage. You can also do that. So in this section, in the Siri and search section, you can customize all the settings of your Siri. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.